Hi shooters, Hatchet here with video 1 of 2 from the Pubg game at Redbarns Airsoft in Dublin.
1, 2, 3.
For this event, the area was split into 4 zones: red, white, blue and yellow. A siren would sound and marshals would shout out when an area was coming in game. All players would have to make it to this area or risk taking a hit for their team.
2 dead.
When starting, all players have a knife and a dump pouch. All in-game items were to be kept in the dump pouch. When you were shot and bled out, you must empty the pouch. This meant you lost all your loot and weapons. When you restart from spawn, you only had a knife to defend yourself. There were weapons, slings, shields and bombs all across the site, which were available to everybody to use. To add another edge to the game, there were poker chips, which when found and handed to a marshal, took 1 hit off your team total.
I'm waiting on him to count out.
As well as the poker chips, there were playing cards. The number on the card represented how many hits your team could wipe from their total. The king cleared your hit card. So guys, after boring you with all them rules, let's get into some game footage. All of this is from the main battle with everyone in play.
Here. Right there. He's not moving.
I was praying you were going to walk down here and get a cover of him.
After Paul getting that kill, I acquired a shield and we decided for myself to be the cannon fodder and let Paul take the shots. He's a better shot anyway, but don't tell him I said that. You can also see we acquired our first poker chip, so we had to get to a marshal before we got taken out.
I just know this direction. Oh, no, that's why the shot is moving away that way. The dead body moving ahead. Oh, it's Marshall. Yeah, watch. There's no green, caught that. And the body, Marshall's going to have to move in the way. Oh, the poker chip. My 12.
Here we have come under contact and I have found 3 AGs but no mags. Soon I spot a team moving on Paul's position, but he takes them out with ease.
One o'clock. 8, 9. Well done, lads. Well done.
Where'd you get the shield?
Off him. Well done, lads. Well done.
In this clip, after a good morning with the shield, we come across one lad in the open ditch. Paul takes him out. I move forward to find his mate, when out of nowhere, 2 lads run out from behind the tree.
You stay behind me now. Yeah.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23,
There. Here, right in front of me. Nice!
double kill, well done, man. Well played.
Alright. Oh shit, hold on. What am I doing? No, I got knifed. The friendly Havocs.
Friendly
Havocs. Yeah.
Friendly, huh?
Yeah, 1.
Jesus Christ, I'm about to kill you now. Why can't you be
You're
like?
taking the kill, are you? 1, 2.
Just to explain the jump and the kill counter, after I returned to the AO from respawn and linked up with Paul, we immediately got into a firefight with 2 to 3 enemy teams. Typical of me, I hadn't changed my battery and the camera went dead.
Hit! 1, Jesus, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, he's down, 1 down. What? I don't know. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 down, 2 down, 2 down, 2 down. Half and this is fucked, man. I swear. Dude. Not worth it. Pistol. Empty pistol. Empty pistol. I'll take it with me anyway.
I just want to take this chance to apologise for the shaky footage. I was trialling a homemade mount for my head cam,
Hey?
and it was a bit of a mess.
No, not yet. Huh?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah? I wouldn't say across the bridge into the ditch line here and then in. the left, wall on the left. Paul, get up. He's down, left is down. Right about.
Quick shout out to the lads from Task Force Broadsword who presented me with their team patch after the game. Cheers, lads.
Red is the full of the field.
Yeah, yeah.
White is the inside the field in the blue we're here. If we can even be halfway down there, leave us with a bit of a the only thing sometimes you know the picture or something. But one people. You got him? You move right away. What?
I will admit we began to play a lot more tactical in the second half of the day, which paid off as we got into the Battle Royale. Please subscribe if you would like to see part 2 and who takes the snack box. Hatchet out.